Mandar Gurav. I am in standard 7. I am a student of Success Abacus online classes. My teacher name is Mrs. Chetan Dakave. Today I am going to show you addition and subtraction using Abacus tool.
Add 1, add 4, less 3, add 4, add 5. That is
11.
Add 7, less 3, add 1, add 3, add 8. That is
16.
Add 77, less 7, less 7, less 7. That is
56.
Add 6, less 4, add 3, less 3, add 4. That is
6.
Add 50, less 5, add 8, add 2. That is
55.
Add 9, less 8, add 5, add 3, add 4. That is
13.
Add 102, less 7, add 6. That is
101.
Add 66, less 6, less 6, less 6. That is
48.
Add 97, less 3, add 6, add 9, add 6. That is
115.
Add 64, add 3, add 4, add 2, add 7. That is
80.
Add 48, add 9, add 9, add 9. That is
75.
Add 99, add 7, add 5, add 4. That is
115.
Add 40, add 9, add 5, less 2, add 8. That is
60.
Add 80, add 8, add 7, add 4, add 6. That is
105.
stop.
Thank you.